Hey guys, let's do a video.
You're not in yet. We have a script. Get down here. Get down!
Let's do a video.
Get out of here. What do you want for dinner?
A cookie.
I already feed mine.
You don't wear pants.
Oh, neither do you.
But I'm a goat-headed turtle, not a turtle-headed goat.
What if you're so constipated? Why don't you wear pants?
Because I'm a turtle-headed goat. Let's make a video. It's raining food.
No!
Good night.
No, my head hurts! No! Okay.
Let's watch that.
Oh! Thanks for watching. Please.
Let's make a video.
Will you get out of here for a second? Thanks for watching. Please never watch this. It will scar you for life.
Let's make a video.